right, y'all, so just getting ready to head out, and I wanted to just show you guys a quick way that I do my hair in the summer because it's hot. So dry shampoo and just getting it all in there. Y'all can't tell how good it feels to have my blonde hair back. And then I part more to that side. And I'm not a pro at any of this. So what I like to do is I like to just twist it because I can't braid. I'm gonna attempt to braid it, but I'm just gonna take, because you see I have like a little bit of a bang situation going on right there. So I'm going to pull just a good chunk that I think I can handle braiding. Let's see. I'm gonna go all the way down. Okay, and then I'm gonna just clip this so that I can pull the rest of this out of my way. And I'm just gonna try to do this one side. I'm not gonna do both. And just gonna get that back. And you can do a ponytail, or you can do a little bun situation. All right, so this is me attempting to braid. All right, so I'm going to just, and all you people out there who are actually really good at this, don't judge, okay? And honestly, this is probably like a faux braid, right? Because I'm not actually braiding it the way it would be if I was getting, okay, so there's my 3 strands. And I'm gonna have to keep adding in since I have that small portion. So each time I lay it down at the bottom, I'm just gonna grab a little bit more. And if I don't get it all in there, that's fine. Like I can pull it back into my hair, into my ponytail. We're just gonna see what happens, y'all. I've never done it like this before, so welcome to the first time. And I just lost. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Alright, so I just tried to braid it. I can't braid. So I'm just going to go to Old Faithful, and I just twist those 2 together, and then I pull in another strand and twist together, and then another one, which I'm sure this is the process of braiding. I've just never been good at it. All right, and then I'm going to continue to twist it, and then I'm gonna take and just pull out a few of these so that it has a little bit of volume. Maybe not that much volume. And of course, I don't even know why I thought this was gonna be a good idea. This is why it takes me so long to do my hair, y'all. Okay, let's try again. So I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna add on this one. This is a little bit better. Okay, so this is more of what I was wanting. All right, so there's that. Just kind of overlapping loop. Now I'm still gonna try to pull a little bit so it's not so tight on my hair, or on my head, I mean. And just give it a little bit of oomph. And then I'm gonna pin it. And then I'm gonna tuck that in to my ponytail. So then I've got a really cute hairdo for the summer. And my hair's out of the way. So there you go, not bad. And just kind of fix those pieces if I need to. There, perfect. Now I could do this side if I wanted. It would be a much smaller twist. I don't know, I kind of like just one. No, I think I'm gonna go two. Okay, so same thing, twist, add a piece, twist, add a piece. This one just always looks so different than the other, but that's okay. And I'm just going to keep this one kind of closer to my head. All right, then I'm going to retie everything. And now I'm gonna be good to go. So you can kind of like tuck it in, make a little knot out of it, whatever you would do. All right, so we are going to do an outside little get together, and I'm just gonna do something super quick. I showed you guys the Corn Queen makeup routine, and so I'm getting ready to just do something very similar to that. Okay. So 10 products, here we go. So this is a process that a friend that I follow shared to keep your makeup on all day. So start with the setting spray, and then you go primer, and then back to setting spray. But while I'm waiting for that, I am just gonna use our Moodstruck eyeshadow in Energetic, which is a really dark gold, which is perfect. I got a little bit of tan going on, y'all. I'm so excited. Gotta get back outside some more after this, rain disappears, so that I can continue to get some sun. So it's just a really pretty gold, super easy. Then I'm gonna go with the color Glistening, which is a lighter shimmer, just right from where that was and up to my eyebrow. And then you can always just take your finger and blend. All right, let's do some eyebrows. This is not, eyebrows are not my strong suit. I got some girls that I'm like, wow, it's never been my area. Because I never really was concerned with eyebrows before. All right, now since the setting spray's dried, I'm actually just going to use some of our hydrating primer, since I did get some sun. So this is our hydrating primer. Just get that in really good. And I'm gonna let that dry for just a little bit. And I'm actually done with my eyes, so I'm gonna just do a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. Apparently I have hair everywhere. I'm actually not mad about this hair, guys. So I'm just gonna do a little bit on the top. And underneath. Gotta hurry up because my battery's done. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Epic Mascara. Got a lot of amazing products, guys, and you can bundle them right now and save 15% on the whole or each item. So don't, this month, like, you can make it what you want it. So if you want anything, you gotta let me know. And when you bulk order with me, you get free shipping, so that's always a bonus. The best part to summer, even though I have some serious tan lines, is I don't always feel like I have to put on a lot of foundation, which is great. All right, so now that my primer has set, I'm gonna do this again. And set that with my setting spray. And all I'm using tonight is my BB cream and my concealer mixed together just to kind of cover up some of this. BB cream is my go-to summer foundation. It's so good. So the concealer is the color Velour, so I'm just going to do a little dollop in the middle of that. And then this is actually my darker. This is the Honey. I normally have use the Bisque, but because I'm mixing it with my concealer, which is a shade lighter, I wanted to use the darker BB cream. And the best part about BB cream is it blends to your skin tone. So we have, like, I think 5 or 6 color options. And it's a complexion enhancer, so it blends to you. And like I said, I have 2 colors that I can use. I have the Honey, that's my summer color, and then the Bisque is my winter color. And it gives, this is a dewy finish foundation, and I'm also gonna just take my blending bud and go around, since I had already done my eyes. So, it does not have a matte finish, but if you wanted it to have that matte finish, you could do your matte primer. All right, I am gonna set this with our translucent setting powder. And then I'm just adding lip gloss and bronzer, and then I'm gonna be done. Super lightweight. And that process of setting spray, primer, setting spray is gonna help hold it all in. I'm actually gonna use, this is our bronzer in Sunset. I'm just gonna use a stipple brush, like a really fluffy brush, and just kind of add a little bit of color to my cheeks. And down. And then blend it in. This is in the color Pouty. And then the lip gloss is the color Lux. All right, quick, easy, done.